Hello, good morning students. This is Linear Integrated Circuits Laboratory. We are going to perform experiment 1 today. So it is based on measurement of op-amp parameters. For measurement of op-amp parameters, sample IC we are using are OP07, LF356 and 741C. And our aim is to measure input bias current and input offset current, input offset voltage. These two are the DC parameters of op-amp, and the next two, slew rate and CMRR, these are the AC parameters of the op-amp. So let us see first how to measure the DC parameters of the op-amp. Objectives of this experiment are to build op-amp based circuitry on the breadboard, to measure the input offset voltage, input offset current, input bias current, slew rate and CMRR, to observe input and output voltages and waveforms on the multimeter and CRO respectively, and compare the datasheet parameters with the measured parameters. For performing this experiment on the hardware, you require breadboard, op-amp IC 741, LF356, OP07, resistors, DC regulated power supply, signal generator, CRO and digital multimeter. The DC parameter input bias current you can define as average of the currents that flows into the inverting and non-inverting input terminals of the op-amp with the output at 0 volts. So IB is equal to absolute value of IB1 plus IB2 upon 2. Then measurement of DC parameter, again it is input offset current. The definition of input offset current is difference in the magnitude between the two input currents IB1 and IB2 respectively of the op-amp with the output at the 0 volts. So IOS, the input offset current, is IB1 minus IB2 for the op-amp. Then next DC parameter is input offset voltage. It is the voltage to be applied between the input terminals for making the output voltage 0. So this is the circuit for calculating or measuring the input bias and offset current. So you will find there is a 741 IC connected. Pin number 7 is plus VCC, pin number 4 is minus VEE. The input terminals, inverting input terminal is pin number 2 and non-inverting input terminal is pin number 3, and you have to connect one resistor between point A and B, which is of 2.2 mega ohms, and another resistor from non-inverting terminal to ground, which is of 2.2 mega ohms. So let us understand the procedure for carrying out this experiment. So you have to build the circuit on the breadboard as shown in this figure. Short the terminals A and B and measure the output voltage VO1. The bias current into the non-inverting terminal equal to IB1 equal to VO1 upon RB1. So we'll be measuring VO1 on the multimeter. Then remove short across A and B terminals and short terminals C and D. So these two terminals are shorted, and measure output voltage VO2. Then you can find out VO2 upon RB1, the value of the another current entering into the non-inverting terminal. And then the bias current will be the average and the offset current will be the difference of the two currents.